Hi everyone, welcome. Today in front of me is Bluesound Pulse M, and I'm going to show you how can you easily link its speaker with your Android app. Let's get started. So first we have to check if our speaker is in hotspot mode. It is a solid green LED light. If it is, we can continue. So we have to open our BlueOS app, scroll all the way down and accept end user license agreement. Now we have to get started and allow for using our location. Now we have to wait a moment, and as you can see, this is our speaker. We have to click on it and choose Wi-Fi network. Now we have to enter password for this Wi-Fi network. And save. Now we have to click continue and select our room. For us it would be bedroom. Now we have to continue and click connect. Now our speaker is looking for upgrades. And that's it. We have to click finish. And that's it. Hope you like it and hope it helps you. Goodbye.